If you need to change your hosting or email password, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps inside hosting or hPanel so you can update your Mailbox password quickly and safely. This is useful if you want to secure your email account, reset a password you've forgotten, or simply keep your hosting account protected. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website and email tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside hPanel, look for the Email section. This is where Hostinger keeps all of your email management tools, including mailboxes and password settings. Click on Emails to open the email management area. After that, you'll see your domain or domains listed on the page. Click anywhere next to the domain name you want to manage. This step helps Hostinger know which email service you want to work with, especially if you have more than one domain connected to your account. Now, on the left sidebar, click on Mailboxes. This is the section where Hostinger shows all the email accounts created for that domain. You should see a list of your mailboxes, so find the one whose password you want to change. Once you've found the correct mailbox, click the three-dot options button next to it. This opens a menu with several actions you can take for that email account. From that menu, select Change Password. Now, Hostinger will give you the option to create a new password. You can either type one manually or use the password generator if you want Hostinger to create a secure password for you. If you're entering your own password, make sure it follows Hostinger's requirements. It needs to be between 8 and 50 characters long, and it should include at least one number, one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, and one symbol. Also, make sure you only use Latin letters, since that's part of Hostinger's accepted format. A good tip here is to choose a strong password that you can remember, but that is still difficult for other people to guess. If you're going to save it in a password manager, that's even better, because it keeps your email account much more secure. After entering the new password, double-check it before saving. This is especially important if you use the mailbox on your phone, in webmail, or in an app like Outlook or Apple Mail, because you'll need to update the password there too after changing it in Hostinger. When everything looks good, click Update. Hostinger will save the new password right away, and your mailbox password will be changed. From that point on, you can use the new password to log into webmail or reconnect your email client on your devices. If your email stops syncing after the change, that usually means the app or device still has the old password saved. In that case, just go into your email settings and update it with the new password you just created. Once that's done, everything should work normally again. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your Hostinger email password inside hPanel. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it's one of the easiest ways to keep your email account secure. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.